Hey, I'm Elijah from Soflyy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to import Google Sheets to WordPress. For this example, I'll be using WP All Import to import this big list of posts that I have over here in Google Sheets. There are about 180 different posts. I have a brand new website all set up, but it has no posts yet. I want to go ahead and import Google Sheets to WordPress. So to do that, I'll go over to Google Sheets and then to the Share menu. Here, I want to swap the general access settings so that anyone with a link can access it. Now I just need to copy that link, then go back over to WordPress. I've already got WP All Import installed and activated, so I'll go to All Import in the admin menu and click New Import. Choose Download File from URL, then paste in the Google Sheets URL in the URL field, and click Download. In this case, I want these to be imported as WordPress posts, but I could also bring them in as any other post type, as well as things like users, taxonomies, or comments. Next, click Setup Import. Now, to import this Google Sheet to WordPress as posts, I need to tell WordPress which columns I want to use as the post title and post content. WP All Import makes this incredibly easy. On the right-hand side, we can see the columns that are available, and drag the column label into the field we want to map the data to. We'll drag in the post title and do the same thing with content. If we want to see what other data is available in our Google Sheets data, we can cycle through the records here. For this super simple import, we don't need to do anything else. So let's go down and click Preview, and here we can see what the data will look like on the WordPress backend. We can cycle through to see different records. Now that we know our import is ready and good to go, we can click Continue to Import Settings. For Google Sheets to WordPress import, the defaults are fine. But there are lots of options you can choose from for more complex use cases if you want. Since all we need is to import Google Sheets to WordPress as posts and aren't doing anything too fancy, we can just click Continue. Now we can click Confirm and run import. WP All Import will import all of the records from our Google Sheets file. We can see here that it created 182 new posts. Now we can see the posts on the back end if we go to Posts, All Posts. And we can also see them if we go to the front end. We didn't import an image, so it's using a placeholder image. But now you know how to use WP All Import to import Google Sheets to WordPress.